All right, and now along the corridors of justice, a lot has been happening as well. The Busia Governor Sospeter Ojaamong, there was a defense hearing this particular morning, and according to a ruling that was issued, the governor indeed has a case to answer in an 8 million shilling graft case, among other charges, which include abuse of office. Tracking that particular case for us is Sarafina Robi, who is now joining us live, just to give us an update. Very good afternoon, Sarafina. What is the latest development with regards to this corruption case against the governor and other cases that are before the courts this morning?
A very good afternoon, Safin. We're coming to you live from the Milimani Law Courts here in Nairobi, where it's a very chilly morning here, and we're still following up on a number of cases, most of which involve the anti-corruption courts. And the most recent that has just ended a few minutes ago involves the Busia Governor Sospeter Ojaamong, whereby he was giving an unsworn statement in regards to whereby he had a case to answer for 4 charges, some of them being abuse of office and a conspiracy to defraud the county government about 8 million shillings, and 2 others, whereby he's going to give continue to give an unsworn statement at 2:30 p.m. Well, another story that we are following up today here at the Milimani Law Court involves a case whereby the business tribunal has been, orders had been given earlier on to the business tribunal, and those orders have been confirmed today, whereby they are being barred from accessing their office and conducting any businesses in the business tribunal, given that they did not follow due procedures to get the positions. And some of the concerns being raised by the lawyers also involve that some of the people or the persons that are given those positions did not follow the right procedure, and also the 2/3 gender rule or policy, whereby it's only one lady who was given a position in the business tribunal. Well, the other case that we have also followed up that ended in the morning involves a case of the Willie Kimani case, whereby the court has adjourned, given that some of the MOH or the Ministry of Health regulations are not being adhered to, given the number of people that were present in the open court, just as the one that is behind me, only that in the morning in the court whereby the case was being conducted was small compared to the capacity that was supposed to be held in there. The judge raising concerns and said that the case now will be heard on Monday, after the judge said the tent that whereby he was conducting the case was very small. Whereby we're still continuing to follow up on these cases, especially the case on which we are on right now involving the Busia Governor Sospeter Ojaamong on the graft allegations, whereby he is alleged to have conspired to defraud the county government about 8 million shillings, and he will be continuing to give his unsworn statement at 2:30 p.m. Back to you, Safin.
Thank you so much, Sarafina, for that update. Of course, we'll be expecting more details from what is happening along the corridors of justice in our subsequent news bulletins. Our Sarafina Robi is there for us.